Previous Euro USD analysis videos that I created for you all, we were talking about this market going up, moving north. You guys could see as the last week and a half had gone by, the market, actually the last 2 weeks, the market had gone by, the market actually went up, okay? This actually supports the bias or my analysis that I've been talking about. I figured that the market will go up. And just to break this down for you guys who are new, if you haven't caught my first 2 or 3 videos that I put out on the Euro USD, I think the last one that I put out, let's see, the last one was on February the 3rd. So you're talking about just about 2 weeks ago since I put this video out of my last Euro USD video. You guys see the market had come down. It came up to this point, then the market pedaled backwards. It actually gapped down. And this is where a whole lot of emphasis, I'll say, is put on okay, so if you guys caught my previous Euro USD VPAS Visual Price Action Series video from February the 3rd, and we had a few others before then. If you caught the last one, it was like 2 weeks ago since the last time I had made a video. Now the market, if you guys see, the market has gone up. My bias initially was that it was going to go up. The market had, over the last 2 weeks, and it gapped down to here, all the way from here, gapped down to here, and it chose not to go any lower. All right. Now this is a clear sign that that this is a strong support level. The fact that it gapped down to this place and didn't go any further down, there was no continuation going down. All right. And this is what VPAS will help you realize. So if you guys are struggling with price action, it's not just about recognizing doji or engulfing candles. It's about learning how to read a cluster of candles, learning how to read the formation itself in its totality. All right. So what the market did was it gapped down to here, and there was no continuation going down. So logically, all right, logically, that's telling me that there's a strong level of support here. You can see what the last time it was here, it rejected and it had gone up. And this time, not only did it go down to here, it gapped down to here. All right. It could have gapped anywhere. It could have gapped to this yellow level, but it gapped down to here. All right, letting you know that we have a level here, and that's why we couldn't go any further down off of a gap. All right, so what did the market do? Yes, it started off going down, and then it pushed back up and it closed north, not too far off of where it had closed the previous day. And then the market kept going up, just to respect the same level that I have here, same level that the market came down to at this point, came down to here and it closed. All right, came up to this level, and then it pedaled backwards. All right, just for the market to do it all again. It gapped down again and again. There was no continuation going down. So what we have here since the beginning of last week and then the closure of last week, you had a market that gapped down, and you had a market that went north. All right. Now, overall, in the grand scheme of things, what I have is this market that had fallen down. All right, over the last few months, it had fallen down since like the latter part of last year. Okay, and the market came down to this area and it's sort of rounding off. All right, it's showing the signs of weakening going down. All right, if this wasn't evident of that over here, you could see that the market is going up now. Not only that, the lows are getting higher. Okay, each time the market got down, they went up. The market got down again, it went up. It never even gone down to here. So everything is going north. Now, this is the first time, look at this, nice run straight up, all right? This is logic, okay? This is all logic. Not only did the market gap down, but it did not go down to here, nor did it go down to here, all right? Everything is pushing north, okay? Not only did it gap down twice, and not only did it fail to go down to where it was before, but this run straight through this zone was totally bullish, all right? We closed a week off where the market was before. So we have to watch this area to see if there's going to be continuation, if there's going to be like a small gap down and push down, maybe back to this level, maybe back to here, or even back to where it was before. We don't know. But all I can tell you is this: if you're riding the market up, I would tell you to stay in your trade if you can. All right, and hopefully you would have gotten in at a decent place where you have this zone that's protecting you. Okay, now if I was trading this market, I would stay in my trades. I would be cautious of this area right here because this is a place where the market closed, and I know that closures are more important than the open. Now, for the market to actually close at this level, it's because there's something here. Just like the market coming down to here and closing here and then going up. Just like the market coming down to here and closing is because this is a zone, this is a level. And that's the same way that I sort of treat gaps too. The market came down to here and ended its run going down and turned around and went up. It ended its run going down and turned around and went up. Okay, so I don't see a reason outside of this resistance level here. I don't see a reason to expect the market not to go up. All right, I think that there should be more momentum going up, but we have to watch and see. Monday's candle should give us a lot to sort of go off of for the rest of the week. All right, perhaps the holiday may change some things up. However, I'm still bullish on the Euro USD, as my analysis over the last month or two is actually showing you true. All right, so listen, hopefully this makes sense to you all, and hopefully you guys are making good on your Euro USD trades. All right, peace and blessings, everyone. Listen, just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and as always, remember to remain and stay prayed during the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace and blessings, everyone.